Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as you can see in front of me is sitting a new MacBook Pro. I actually just picked this up today here at our local Best Buy. And what we're going to do here is we're going to rip this bad boy open. And I'm going to show you guys my first ever computer. This is an Apple MacBook Pro. It's the newest version that we have currently. And it's a 13-inch MacBook Pro that comes with all the information's right there. It's a 13.3-inch diagonal retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology, 2560 by 1600 pixels, a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core Intel Core i5 with 128 megabytes DRAM, turbo boost up to 3.9 gigahertz, and it's got 128 gigabytes of SSD, Intel Iris Plus Graphics 645 card, and 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB ports. So, as with any good old Mac, they're very easy to open. All you gotta do is just rip the tab open. Oh, that is so satisfying, guys. I can't tell you guys how satisfying it is to open up a new PC like this. I'm just gonna rip this guy out. And I love how Apple packages all their stuff. Alright, so there's the MacBook Pro sitting right in front of you. Here is all that plastic that we just took, and it's in the garbage now. So, as with any other camera or any other kind of unboxing I've ever done, this is a very rare. There is the MacBook Pro. Here's the inside of the lid. It's just a plain old lid. Got a beautiful design on the front of it. There's that. Oh, look at this beast. Holy cow. There's the computer itself. I'm gonna pop it out of its... Oh, it feels so nice to have one of these guys. Alright, before we touch the computer itself, let's get to the accessories here. So we have this is apparently a USB-C to USB-C charging port. What we did lose is the safety connector that Apple used to have, but I don't really care. This is a 2-meter wire that you get complimentary with the Mac. There's that. Inside here we have the 61-watt universal charger that comes standard with all Apple gear. We'll peel the plastic off of this guy, if I can rip this open. Go. Whew. This is actually really light. Like, it is super light. So there's that. Let's get that out of the way. And in here we got your standard Apple gear. This is not something we have not seen before. You got your Apple stickers that are not color matched for some reason. That's fine. Don't really need color matched stickers. I'm not a big fan of color matched stickers anyways. They're white Apple stickers just like that. I guess they changed that since the last time we got one. Your MacBook licensing, a standard how-to guide with all the standard information that you need to set up the MacBook Pro. And this is a 2018 or 2019 version, I'm sorry. So we'll leave all the paperwork in the little pamphlet that Apple gives you. Perfect. Awesome. Alright, and there's an empty box. I'm going to keep all this gear on the side. Let's put the charging cord on the side. And now let's focus our attention to this bad boy. Hoo-hoo. So, with anything Apple related, let's just peel back this plastic film. Like so. And the MacBook slips right on out. And if you want to see, there's the plastic film that was holding it in place. There is our brand new MacBook, guys. Look at this. I'm going to set it down right here so you guys can have a good look at it. And as soon as we open it up, Wilmo's joining me here. We'll take the plastic peel off the screen just like so. And without any complications, the MacBook is firing up. I'm going to show you guys the setup process, and we'll go from there. And there's that piece of paper if you guys want to see it. Look at that. Alright, so first things first on the MacBook Pro here is to choose your language. We are going to go with English. And that has been selected.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
That's got automated voice. Alright, so it's just figuring that out by itself. We'll let that do its magic. We are not in United States. I wish. Continue. We're going to go Canadian English. Continue. Continue. I'm not worried about Wi-Fi right now. Let's just get this thing set up so that I can show you guys it. It's figuring out the Wi-Fi thing here. I'm not gonna actually set up the Wi-Fi password just yet. Oh my gosh. Why is this taking forever? See if this works. Oh, this is so cool. It's got the touchscreen LED bar across it. Data and privacy, continue. How do you want to, don't transfer any information. All the standard information that Apple goes through. We'll go ahead and agree to this guy. And it's going to do some thinking. I'll show you guys the whole MacBook. There it is. Alright, it says to continue with a computer account. So, I will stop the video here. I am going to create this account and I will come back when this is all done. So, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, we are back with the MacBook Pro. I just continued with that account and finished it up. We'll go ahead and continue here. I'm not worried about Express setup and all this stuff yet. Well, actually, yeah, we'll enable Siri. Why not? Okay. Hey Siri. Perfect. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. Hey Siri, open the Documents folder. There we go. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Takes a minute. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what's the weather? There we go. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? There we go. Alright, we'll continue with that. Touch ID. Alright, so we're going to train our finger right on here. You guys can watch me do this. Well, you're not going to be able to see anything because... There we go. Awesome. Touch ID is ready. Alright, now this is the decision making part. Do we want a light or dark theme? Let's go with a light theme for now, just to see what it looks like. This is, oh, do you guys see the difference there? I think you can, yeah. That's fine. Alright, this is the fun part, setting up your Mac. Look at that. That's what we like to see. It's just verifying some information here, and it should be, whoa! Look at this beast, guys. It's all set up. And yes, there's the touch screen stuff right here. So if I go like that, oops. I gotta get used to this. Oops. Look at all that cool fancy gadgets. If we go light up the keyboard, we can actually light the keyboard up. I'm gonna turn the light off a little bit. I'm actually gonna kill the lights in the room real quick, just to show you guys the light up feature. So there it is. The MacBook is fully lit. As you can see, that is gorgeous, guys. Alright, so let's turn the lights back on. like so. There we go, guys. There is the new MacBook Pro. This is, once again, a MacBook Pro. Comes standard with everything that you would want to get in a MacBook. So I'm going to play with it a little bit and just kind of explore the computer a little bit, you know, and that kind of stuff. It's a beautiful little computer, and I will go over the digital specs of the computer right now with you guys so that you guys can see what this MacBook is all about. Alright, so on the computer right here, we've got a Mac OS version is 10.14.05. It is a MacBook Pro. Processor in it right now is a 1.4 gigahertz Intel Core i5 with 8 gigabytes of memory at a LPDDR3. Graphics is an Intel Iris Plus graphics 645 1536 MB. And the serial number, which we don't really care for. There is the storage. So yeah, guys, there's the setup of the new MacBook Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay safe, stay current, and I'll catch you in the next video.